today, okay? And then happy, healthy, so we can learn together happily, okay? So, we are going to continue the lessons. That's going to be chapter 5. Let me share my screen first, okay? Give me one moment. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are continuing with our lesson today. We're still doing. Okay, give me one moment. Chapter 5 about making dates and appointments. Okay, let's do the role plays for the conversation. I'm going to need some volunteer. Okay, so for the receptionist, okay, receptionist 1 and 2, I'm gonna need Nalita to do that receptionist, and for Lisa, I'm gonna have Hastuti, okay?
Hello, Miss.
Hi
Good evening,
Nalita, good
Miss.
evening.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Hastuti, you're gonna do this receptionist and then the next one, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, go ahead.
Dr. Anders Manning and Sharp. How can I help you?
Okay, and the next one is, okay, Hastuti. Oh, okay, hold on. You're still muted. Ah, okay, Mrs. Astuti, you're still muted. Okay. Okay, let me unmute you again, okay? You're still muted. Okay, I'm gonna pass to Linda first, okay? Okay,
Thank you,
Linda,
Miss.
Yes,
you're
Miss.
welcome. You're doing Lisa, okay?
Lisa, okay.
Yes.
Now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hello, my name is Lisa Peterson. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Sharp. Hopefully sometime next week.
Okay. Next, Nalita.
And what is it you want to see him about?
Very good. You guys doing great. Okay,
Thank you,
pronunciation,
Miss.
intonation is very good. Okay,
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
perfect.
you,
You're
Miss.
welcome. Okay, next I have Lisa. Lisa, I'm gonna have Desmi to do Lisa.
Okay, Lisa. I need a complete
Lisa
physical for a new job
this.
I'm about to take.
Okay, and then you're gonna do the next one. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have Hastuti again for receptionist. Okay, I'm going to unmute her. Okay. Pass. Okay. Let's have Pichu.
Tuh nggak bisa, memang nggak bisa. Iya, udah lupa, mama nggak ngerti.
Pichu. Okay, not able to. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
miss.
there you go. Who's that? Who's speaking?
Pichu.
Oh,
I'm
Pichu.
Pichu.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, Pichu. You do the receptionist, this one and the next one, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Do you have a form that has to be filled out?
Okay. Okay.
Lisa, Miss?
Yes, Lisa, next.
Yes, I do. And it looks like I need a pretty thorough exam.
Very good. Okay. Next,
Can you
Pichu.
fax it to me? That way I'll know how too much time to allot for your appointment.
Okay, very good. You guys doing great this week, okay? Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, I have Farin.
Yes, Miss Sesi.
Farin, you're gonna do this Lisa and the next one, okay? Go
Okay,
ahead.
sure. Can you give me your fax number?
Okay, and then Sita, do receptionist, please.
It's 202-739-5906.
Good. I'll fax it to you right away. Will you call me back when you get it?
Right.
Okay, very good. Okay, perfect. You guys doing great. Okay, thank you very much.
You're
All
welcome,
right,
Miss.
okay. All right, next, later on, okay? Later on, we have receptionist. Put this up. Receptionist, I'm going to have Friska do the receptionist.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Friska.
Hello, Lisa. This is Dr. Sharp's office. I see you are going to need an hour-long appointment, and Dr. Sharp won't be able to do that for at least another month. I give you an appointment with Dr. Manning next Thursday, though, at 1 p.m. Would you like to take that?
Okay, Friska. Okay, just one thing here. Okay, this word here. Dr. Sharp won't be able. No, won't. Okay, won't.
One.
Yes. Okay. Other than that, you're doing very good. Okay. Thank you, Friska. Okay, Lisa. Lisa, I'm gonna have Ilman do Lisa, please. Okay. Lepas to Marliana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Marliana. Let's do Lisa here.
Yes, that sounds fine. Is there anything I should do to prepare for the exam?
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank
Okay, next, Desmi for receptionist, please.
Okay. Yes, I know this will be difficult, but you mustn't eat or drink anything the night before. I wish I could give you an appointment earlier in the day, but we don't have any other openings.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Desmi.
Yeah, you're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next, I have Lisa. For Ilman, please.
Yes, I know this will be difficult, but you
Oh,
must, right?
excuse me. Let's do Lisa. That one's
Oh,
already,
Lisa.
yeah,
Okay, I'm
yes,
so sorry.
Lisa. Okay.
Okay, but if there is a cancellation earlier in the day, please let me know. It much rather come in early in the morning.
Okay. Ilman, right
Yes,
here, this word here, please let me
let,
know.
let me know. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And then this, I'd, it's I'd much rather. Yes.
I'd
Okay.
much rather.
Yes. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ilman.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Next, we have a receptionist. receptionist. Let's have OC.
Yes.
OC. OC, you'll do this receptionist and the
Yes.
next Lisa, okay? Go ahead.
Which one? This one, of course.
Yes. And then the next one.
Of course. Lisa, thanks very much. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you, OC. Okay, guys. So the conversation is done. We are going to do exercises. Okay. Exercise. Let me see. So let me pull the 6. I believe. Okay. So we're done with this exercise. Let me check this real quick. 60. Okay, we're done with that already. And 5.4. We did a find 5.4 last week already, okay? That's how you use the wish. And so today we are doing exercise 5.5. Okay, so this exercise we are going to make a sentence using the I wish. Okay, so to indicate the dissatisfaction with the statement. Okay, jadi ada statement nih ya, ada statement, kita kemudian membuat suatu pernyataan dengan menggunakan kalimat I wish untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita mau yang sebaliknya dari yang statement itu. Okay, so for example, okay, you don't love me, so you're gonna make a I wish the opposite of don't love me. Okay, the opposite of that. So I wish you love me. Okay, loved me. Yes. Okay. So remember. Okay, we have two formula just like that to use the wish. Okay, one with the one. Let me put this down a little bit. Okay, one you use the past tense for the verb, and the second one we use were for to be. Okay, all right, so let's continue this. Hopefully you guys still remember. I know it was easy. 5.4 was easy for you guys. You can do it. You guys did it very good. Okay, so this exercise 5.5 should be easy for you guys also. Okay, just give me, I'm going to give an example for number 1. You don't love me, so I wish you loved me. Okay, let me write it down so you guys can see. I wish you loved me with the past tense of, okay, sorry. Okay, so we use past tense here. Okay, so number 2, my neighbors make a lot of noise. So you're gonna make the sentence I wish is the opposite of not making noise. Okay, now wants to try. Okay, let's have Lily try number 1, please. And I'm sorry, number 2.
My neighbors make a lot of noise. I
Yes.
wish they didn't make a lot of noise.
Okay. So you said, I wish. Okay, I wish who? And the neighbor?
They
I
didn't.
wish my neighbors. Yes, you said. Who? You wish who? Yes? Okay, so you're gonna use first. I wish my neighbors.
Didn't make a lot
Yes.
of noise.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, didn't make a lot of noise. Okay. Or you can say the or you can say also like this. I wish my neighbor stayed quiet. Yes. Okay. You can say that also. My neighbor stay quiet. Okay. Oh, mistype. Okay. There you go. Okay, so you can either use the didn't, or you can just another word of noise is quiet. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Very good. Okay, now number 3. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, my mother isn't here. Okay, my mother isn't here. So you wish your mother, the opposite of isn't here. Okay, wants to try. Let's have this Jeko. Jeko, try
Just let
number
me.
3.
My mother isn't here. I wish my mother was here.
Very good. Okay. So I wish my mother. Okay, sorry. You say. Can you repeat again? Jeko, can you repeat your answer? I wish my
I wish
mother.
my mother was here.
Oh, okay. Remember, okay. We have the lesson last week. When you use to be, for to be, you use only were. You don't use any other that. Okay, for I wish, yes, to be only were. I were, she were, they were, okay, he were, okay, okay,
Okay,
very
got
good.
it.
Okay, thank you. My mother were here. Okay. Next, number 4. I'm not married. Okay, so you wish the opposite of married, not married. Okay, who wants to try? Okay. Okay, let's have Mr. Lacido try this number 4.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Mr. Lacido, I'm not
I wish
married.
I wish I was married.
Remember, the to be only use were for any subject. So I wish.
You were married.
No, I mean the subject doesn't matter what kind of subject. I, I were, she were, he were, they were, we were. Okay, so any when you use the wish, the subject, the past subject is the past. Sorry, okay, for the past to be is only were. Okay, so you don't use was. Okay, so I wish I were
Was.
married. I were, no was. We
Not
don't
was.
recognize. Yes, I were married.
Okay, okay.
Only for the I wish. For the sentence that you use
Only
I
for I
wish.
wish. Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's an
Okay, okay.
exception. Okay,
Thanks.
I wish I was married. Yes, okay, very good. Okay, so number 5. Number 5. Let's have here. Let's have may. May.
Hello, good
Okay.
evening, Miss.
Good evening, May. Okay, she can't stay here tonight.
Okay, let me try.
Sure.
I wish she can stay here tonight.
Okay. Now, for the word I wish.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. It is not. Okay, for I wish you the verb you are going to use past tense. Okay. Second. Okay, so right here. She can't stay here tonight.
I wish she can. I wish
What's
she
the
here
past
to.
tense of can?
Uh, the past tense of can is can.
Could. No.
Could.
Could. There you
Could.
go. Okay. There you go. Yes, and then
I
try
wish
again.
she could stay here tonight.
Yes, very good. Okay,
Thank you,
perfect.
Miss.
You're welcome. I wish she could stay here tonight. Okay. Now, number 6. He won't move his car. Okay. Let's have a Hastuti try number 6.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Okay, finally.
Number 6.
Yes. He won't move his car. Jadi buat
I
yang
wish.
opposite.
Okay. I wish he would move his car.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. I wish. He would. Okay. Would is the past tense of will. Okay.
Oh, would juga boleh toh.
Would. He would move his car. Okay, very good. Okay, next, number 7. She drives too fast. So we're gonna need the opposite of that. Okay, let's have Nalita try number 7, please.
Okay, Miss. I
Okay.
wish she drove slowly.
Very good. Okay.
Thank you,
Perfect.
Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, I wish she drove slowly. Okay, number 8. They come home late. Okay. Let's have OC try number 8. OC, okay. Let's have Desmi try number 8.
8.
Yes.
They come home late. I wish they came on time.
Okay, I wish they came home opposite of late.
Earlier.
Yes, there you go. Early. Just you can say early. Yes. Okay, very good. Thank you, Desmi.
Welcome.
I wish they
came early.
Came home. They came home. Because it's the past tense, yes? Past tense of come?
What came?
Came home.
Early.
Early. Okay, perfect. Now, number 9. I don't have enough money. Okay, let's have Liani.
Yes, Miss.
Liani, let's try number 9.
Yeah. I wish I had enough money.
Very good. Or you can say, I wish I had a lot of money.
Oh, yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Liani.
Thank you.
I wish I had a lot of money. Okay. Our house is too small. Okay, let's have Rina try number 10.
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Number 10.
Yes, please.
I wish we had a bigger house.
Okay. Uh, bigger house. Okay. You don't. Bigger. This is no comparison. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have the opposite of small. Okay.
Apa
What's the
semua?
yes? Yes. You use the opposite. Okay. So I
Big.
wish. Yes. Okay. You're gonna try. I wish.
We had
Okay. We had.
a big house.
Okay. I wish we had a big house. Okay. So or you can say also. Okay. I wish our house is big. Yes. Okay. You can do that also. Okay. Very good,
Okay.
Trina. Thank you. Okay. Or I wish our house was big. Okay. Remember the past tense. Oh, sorry. This is not was. Okay. I count myself. Were big. Okay. Remember, to be, we only recognize were for I wish. Okay. All right. Very good. You guys pretty good. Know how to apply the I wish for the statement, for the opposite. This showing the dissatisfaction of the statement. Okay. Great. Okay, now we continue with exercise 5.6. Okay, we're gonna circle the most appropriate response to each question or remark. Okay, I wish we could take a vacation. Okay, so what's your response to this statement? I wish we could take a vacation. All right, let's have Farin number one.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Farin.
We could take a vacation. B. Yeah, right.
Okay, yeah, right. Okay, that's a statement that is like you have a doubt on it. Okay, yeah, right. She got A's for all the exams. Yeah, right. That's how you do it. But this, I wish we could take a vacation. You don't want to have a doubt in that. But uh, from all these, of course, perfect, not that's the not the correct response. It doesn't sound right. Okay, so look, we can't afford it. Okay. Jadi menunjukkan suatu bukan bukan dis bukan suatu keraguan, tapi menunjukkan suatu apa ya, kenyataan begitu ya.
Oh,
Jadi yang lebih tepat this one number
C,
number
ya?
C.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
Farin.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
All right, number 2. We'd rather go to the mountains than the beach. Okay, so which response is gonna match that? Okay, let's have Sita try number 2.
We rather to go to the mountains than the beach. The answer is A. Listen, why don't you go to the mountains and we'll go to the beach?
Okay, very good. Why don't you go to the mountains and we'll go to the beach? Yes, that's right. So if somebody saying, okay, we try to go to the mountain, and then of course you're gonna say, okay, you go to the mountain and we'll go to the beach. That's a perfect response. Okay, very good. Thank you. All right. Now, number 3. Can you help me with these packages? Oh, let's try number 3. Let's have Friska try number 3, please.
Yes, Miss.
Friska number 3.
Can you help me with these packages? Oh dear, I can't.
Can't. So it's a B, huh?
B.
Yes, very good. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, so when you have a rejection like that, you're gonna say nicely. Okay, that's why you say, oh dear, I can't. If you want to say I can, then you're going to say, of course I can, instead of dear. Oh dear, usually something negative, you're going to refuse giving help. Okay. Now, number 4, are you graduating in June? Red, are you graduating in June? Who wants to try this? Okay, let's have Nalita try number 4.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Are you graduating in June? I wish.
Okay, very good.
Thank
Okay,
you, Miss.
thank you. Number 5, why is your project late? Let's have Muhammad try number 5.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Number 5.
Yes,
Why
please.
is your project late? See, I have too much on my plate.
Very good. That's another way you're saying I'm busy, I'm overwhelmed. Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, very good. You guys doing great. Okay, now we can continue to exercise 5.7. Okay, matching the expression on the first column to the next column, the second column, and then there may be more than one match. Okay, to each expression. All right. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, remember, oh dear, it's a something that's have the negative when you something disappointment negative, you made something negative like that. Okay, oh dear. Okay, who wants to try this? Let's have Desmi try number 1.
Okay, number 1 is oh dear.
Hmm.
Maybe oh dear have a similar meaning of I don't believe you. B.
Oh, okay, give me 1 second, let me make it smaller so you guys can see the option. There you go. To the end we have M. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me explain. Okay, oh dear. Oh dear. Let me put this. There is an explanation actually. Okay. 56.
Yeah.
Oh dear, biasanya menunjukkan bila suatu penolakan ya. Kalau kita menolak untuk membantu seseorang atau kita sudah melakukan suatu kesalahan, maksudnya you're not supposed to do it. Okay, let me see. There you go. Oh dear is an exclamation that indicates you wish something weren't true, okay, or hadn't happened, okay, because you don't wish that to happen, okay. Like the previous one on the first exercise, it says, "Oh, can you help me with these packages?" Oh dear, I can't. Oke, jadi ada penolakan.
I can't.
Yes, I can't. Oke. Nah, kemudian di sini ada contoh. That's had not happened. Okay. Okay. Oh dear, I dropped my bag and my stuff is everywhere. Oh dear, I said Friday and I meant Thursday. Jadi ada suatu kesalahan ya, yang jadi sebenarnya tidak menginginkan sesuatu itu terjadi. Okay, so let's go back to the. That's gonna 62. Okay, let's try again. Oh dear. So, oh dear. Okay. How about, okay.
That's fine with me to get it quickly.
Okay, Desmi, are you still there?
Yes, you don't need to.
Okay, Desmi.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh dear.
You wish it's not happening, okay?
Have similar meaning with. Too bad that's not true.
Okay, let me help, okay? Okay, oh dear, I made a mistake. Yes? You wish that had not happened, right? You wish the opposite. You wish you don't make mistakes. But oh dear, I made mistakes. Okay? You can use oh dear. Okay? And then is there anything here? Okay, another one. You can use oh
See.
dear. Pardon me? Okay. And then another thing you can also use, oh dear, that's a shame. Okay?
That she.
That's a shame. That's a age, okay? That's a shame. So you wish
Yeah,
it
that's.
didn't happen, okay? That's a shame. Okay, bahasa Indonesianya itu apa ya? Memalukan. Itu memalukan. Jadi kita we wish it's the opposite, okay? So you can use oh dear, okay?
Yes.
You understand this, me?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
I understand now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. That way you can use oh dear every day, okay? All right, guys. Number 2, perfect. How do you gonna use this expression perfect? Perfect. Let's have Stephen try perfect.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Stephen.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, give me the alphabet. Yes, L.
Yes,
Okay, perfect. How you respond to perfect? Okay.
it's okay with me. D.
It's okay with me. Perfect. Yes. Okay. D. I do agree with you. Okay.
I. Yes, perfect. Can or no?
L. Ha. You say yes. Perfect. Yes. Okay. We can do that. Okay.
Is that all?
Perfect. It's okay with me. That's fine with me. Yes. I. I is okay.
Or L.
Yes. You can use. Okay. Look. It's okay with me. Also the same with I. That's fine with me. Yes, that's another way. Yes. And then you can use perfect. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's okay. Of course. Of course. Let's have Lily try number 3, please.
Of course. That's fine with me.
It's fine with me. That's E. I. Okay. I. If you have an I, that's gonna be goes with the D. Yes. It's okay with me. That's fine with me. That's the same way. Okay. So we can use D also, D and I, and then anything else.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then, any other response?
No problem, Miss.
Yes, you can use that. Okay, let's say, okay, so if you be able to apply in a sentence, it'd be easier. Okay, let's say, can you help me? Of course. Okay, and then okay, A is gonna say, okay, can you help me? And then B is gonna say, of course. And then you can say, okay, no problem. Okay, you can use that also. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's an E. Anything else? Can you help me? Anything else, Lily, you can think of? You can also use am. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna ask you. Okay, can you help me? Your answer is going to be of course, or you can use it's okay with me. That's fine with me. No problem.
Yes.
Yes. You don't need to ask. Okay? That's another way of saying of course. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Lily. Okay. Let's say, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay. Let's say I'm sorry. Liani. Liani. Oh.
Yes, miss.
All right, Liani. Let's do number 4. Let's say blah, blah, blah.
Let's say, hey, how about?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Example. Let's say that you can go to Bali tomorrow. Or you can say, how about if you can go to Bali tomorrow? Okay. Is there any other way that you can say that kind of sentence? Use the same context? Okay, you can use this. Okay. Understand this. You can go to Bali tomorrow. Okay. You can use that. K. Yeah. Okay. That's the same way you can use how about and let's say. Okay. Thank you. You understand, Yani?
Okay, miss. Yeah. Thank you, miss.
You're welcome. All right. Number 6. You're right. You're right. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna pour this. You're right. I'm gonna pull the information for you guys to understand how to use this. You're right is a sarcastic answer that indicates that what was said previously is ridiculously. Okay? So, jadi itu ada suatu keraguan gitu ya, apa yang ini di statement itu. Okay, let's say like this. I got all A's last semester. You're right. Oke, jadi saat seseorang mengatakan yeah right itu menunjukkan dia ada keraguan bahwa pernyataan itu benar gitu loh. Dia meragukan. Itu sudah terlalu berlebihan pernyataan tersebut, oke? Oke, let's go back to there, okay? Number 5. Yeah, right. Okay, how we gonna do this? Okay. Let's have Desmi.
Yes, miss.
All right. You're right.
All right. B, I don't believe you.
Okay, I don't believe you. Yes. Okay.
Then
Lots, huh? Okay.
then wait, there's not two.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're right. I don't believe you. Okay,
Of
that's
course
the
not.
same meaning. Okay. Of course not.
Yeah, of course not.
Yes, okay. Remember the statement. Okay, I got all A's last semester. Yeah, right. I don't believe you. Of course not. Okay, and then anything else you think?
But that not true.
What is it?
Jika G. Too bad
G?
that not
Oh, it's a
G
J?
J.
G?
Too bad. J. Too bad
J.
that's true.
Yes, very good. Okay, so it's the same meaning also with that. So understand that. Then when you somebody say, "Yeah, right," okay, you can also make another statement. I don't believe you. Of course not. Too bad that's not true. That's too straightforward. Okay, okay, but that's the same meaning though. You can use it the same context. Okay, very good. Thank you, Desmi.
Miss.
All right. Number 6. No problem. No problem. Let's have Pichu try number 6.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Pichu,
Number six,
number
no
6.
problem. I think
Yes.
it's the same with number 2. D,
No.
L,
Okay, hold on. Use B. No
L,
problem. Okay, B. Okay, and
L,
hold on. Ah, can you help me? No problem. I don't believe you. That doesn't match. Okay. Pichu. Okay. Let's there have this context here. This sentence here. Um, can you help me? And then your answer can be no problem. I don't believe you. Okay. That's not the correct response to that. Okay. Now,
okay.
okay, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna ask you.
Yes,
Okay, can you help me? You answer me. No problem. Anything
no
else that's
problem.
something similar to that?
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
L,
Okay. L. There you go. It's okay with me. Can you help me? It's okay with me. Yes. That's the correct response. Okay. You can say that also. Can you help
that
me?
that's fine with me.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Can you help me? That's it. Yes. No problem. There's another no problem here. Of course,
No
there's.
problem. Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Yes. Okay. So, anything else you think? Can you help me? That's it. Yes.
No problem. No problem.
Yes. No problem. That's yes. I guess we can use that also. Okay, since the expression is there. Okay. Anything else?
Okay, I
That's
think
it.
that's it.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Pichu.
Thank you.
So if you have this kind of expression, you can just put it in the conversation in a context like that. So it be easier. You don't need to memorize. Just like play around with the expression like that. Okay. All right. I wish. Okay. I wish. Okay. Once you try this, I wish.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Mr. Lacido. Yes, I wish.
I wish
I wish. Okay.
That's fine with me.
Let me help to put in a conversation so it'll be easier. Okay. Tomorrow we can. Tomorrow we can go to Bali already. Okay. Let's say. Let me change it. Tomorrow we can travel around already. I wish. Okay. With this kind of situation. Okay. I'm gonna with the pandemic context like this. I'm gonna say that. Okay. Tomorrow we can travel around already. And then you say I wish. Any other words that you can use? I wish, as I wish.
Oh, I wish.
Tomorrow we can travel around already.
Yes.
No, because I wish you penggunaan I wish itu menunjukkan bahwa kita menginginkan sesuatu yang bertolak belakang dengan statement. Okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Of course
So
not.
jadi
Of course not.
F. Yes. Yes, you can use that. Of course not. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow we can go travel around already. Okay. I wish. And of course not. Okay. Anything else?
I don't believe you.
No. Okay. That's, I mean, that's not the correct answer. Okay. I wish. Okay. Tomorrow we can go travel around already. I don't believe you. Okay, that's a totally different context. Okay, so when you use I wish, you wish this it is true what the statement is. Okay, so you're gonna use too bad that's not true. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow I wish tomorrow we can travel around already. I wish. Too bad it's not true. So it is the same meaning. When you use the sentence I wish, it's always the opposite of that. What you expect the opposite. Okay.
Yeah.
So the answer is J. Okay. Anything else? Can you think of anything else, Mr. Lacido? That's it, yes?
Only.
Yes, I think so also. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Lacido. All right, next. Look. Okay, look. Okay, number 8. Look. Let's have a. Okay. Sita. Let's have Sita try. Number.
Okay, Miss.
Look. Number 8, please.
Pay attention.
Yes. You can say pay attention. Okay. Or anything else?
Understand this.
Yes. Okay. Understand this. Okay. So actually, you guys look and listen. You can use both of them. It's a okay. So you're gonna say to the look, guys. Okay. Or you can listen, guys. So you're gonna make them focus on what you are going to say afterwards. Okay. So you can use what's your answer? Is understand this. Okay. Pay attention and understand this. Okay, so that is actually for number 8 and 9. You can use that the same thing. Okay, thank you, Sita.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, that's the same also. Okay, you can use look or listen. Okay, next number 10 is write. Okay, last one we are going to have a Richard. Right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So your answer is
Yes.
L. Yes? Okay, I agree with you. Okay, very good. Anything else?
M maybe. How about
Mm,
M?
okay. No, I don't think that's the perfect expression to that. Okay,
Yeah.
I think L is to be good on. Okay, thank you, Richard.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right, guys, we're done with this. Okay. Number 5.8. Huh? So we continue with 5.8. Okay. So 5.8 is there is an expression here already. The response is already stated there, and then what you guys need to do is make a question or remark or a statement that will be answered in this way. Okay, you're right. Okay, so like I said, okay, you're right is a sarcastic answer that you have a doubt in that and that you wish it hadn't is the opposite of that. Okay, you don't believe that something is really happening. Okay, so guys, we have 5 questions there. Okay, now the time is already showing 7:59. So okay, 7:59, so we only have 1 minute away. I think we are going to do this next week only. Okay, so I hope you guys can spare a little time so you guys can review the lesson today. Okay, we use all this word already. Okay, yeah, right, I wish, of course, no problem, right? So try to apply those expression responses to the sentence. That way you will get used to that. When, oh, okay, this statement I'm gonna have to respond like this. Okay, I think you guys doing very good today. Okay, and then very proud of you guys. Okay, so we'll end the lesson today. Okay, and then I see you guys again next week. Okay, all right, guys, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mrs.
you,
Thank you,
Tan.
Miss.
Thank you,
Mrs.
Miss.
Tan.
Thank
Bye.
you, Miss.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
Thank you
Miss.
bye
all. Bye
guys.
bye. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye bye, Miss.
Bye
Thank
guys.
you very much.
You're welcome.